welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm so excited to share some of my experience that just happened yesterday. I saw the northern lights for the first time in my life and they were absolutely stunning. I will share some pictures with you here and there. Inspired by their beauty, I thought that it would be perfect to do a painting of the northern lights using the acrylic colors because I would love to capture everything that looks beautiful to my eyes. Let's start with the material. I'm keeping it simple so everyone can follow along whether you are a beginner or a pro. Canvas. I'm using this 3x3 inch canvas but grab whatever you have. Acrylic paints. Brushes. Palette. So let's get started. This is the canvas I'm using today, a small 3x3 inch canvas. Perfect for a quick yet beautiful painting. To keep it steady while I work, I'm taping the back with medical tape. This little trick makes sure the canvas doesn't move around so I can focus entirely on the bringing the northern lights to life. Stay with me as we create a stunning miniature masterpiece together. For this painting, I'm using Mary's acrylic colors. For the background, I will be blending two beautiful shades, Azure Blue and Viridian. I'm applying this with a size 6 brush which is perfect for creating smooth transitions. Watch closely as we start building the base for our magical northern lights. For the base, I'm starting by dipping my brush into water to help the paint glide smoothly. Then I gently tap the brush on a cloth to remove any excess water. Next, I'm picking up both shades together to create a perfect blend for the background. Make sure to apply the paint evenly across the canvas for a smooth base. And don't forget to cover the sides of the canvas for a clean, finished look. Looks like my background turned out a bit lighter than I want for a night scene, so I'm going to darken it up. I will be adding more of the same shades, focusing on creating a deeper, richer tone to set the perfect mood for the northern lights. Don't be afraid to layer and adjust until it feels just right. Now I'm using Deco Art white acrylic paint to start building the reflection of the northern lights. Just a reminder, this isn't the actual northern lights yet. We are still working on the background. Once I have applied the colors, without waiting for the paint to dry, I will directly add the white paint in a shape that mimics the light's refraction. Then using a fan brush, I will gently spread the white paint to create a soft, glowing effect that hints at the northern lights. Now it's time for the exciting part, creating the northern lights. Once the background is fully dry, I will lightly apply a bit of water to the canvas with a brush. This helps the colors blend beautifully. Then using another brush, I will paint a wavy line with white paint to outline the lights. Here's where the magic happens. I will take a fan brush and gently sweep the white paint upward to create that soft glowing effect. Remember, go easy with the pressure. Too much force can mix the white with the background and lose the beautiful, dreamy look of the northern lights. Let's make it shine. Here is an important tip to keep in mind. Make sure to wipe your brush on a cloth after every few strokes. This helps control the amount of white paint on the brush and ensures the light have a soft, natural glow instead of looking too bright or patchy. Trust me, this little step makes all the difference in achieving that dreamy northern lights effect. Now it's time to add some extra details to bring the scene to life. I'm painting mountains at the bottom of the canvas using black acrylic paint. This adds depth and creates a stunning contrast against the glowing northern lights. Watch closely as I shape the peaks and give the painting that dramatic magical feel. It's time to add the stars to complete the night sky. Using a fan brush, I wet the bristles slightly with water, then dip it into white acrylic paint. To create the stars, I gently tap the fan brush against another brush, allowing the paint to scatter across the canvas in tiny droplets. This simple technique adds a beautiful, starry effect to the scene and perfectly complements the northern lights. For even more tiny stars, I'm using a toothbrush. I will dip the bristles into the white acrylic paint, then gently flick it with my finger to create small, delicate star-like dots all over the canvas. This gives the sky a beautiful, sparkly texture that really makes the northern lights pop. After finishing the mountains, I am adding subtle reflection of the northern lights on their peaks. Using a small brush, I will lightly apply some of the same colors from the lights to the top edges of the mountains. This little detail ties the whole scene together and makes it feel even more magical. Watch how this simple touch brings the painting to life. Now I'm cleaning up the colors that have spread on my table to keep everything neat and tidy. Once that's done, we will seal our painting to protect all the beautiful work we have done. So to seal and protect our painting, I'm using Mod Podge gloss sealant. This will give it a nice, shiny finish while keeping everything safe. Make sure to apply an even layer across the entire canvas, ensuring no spots are missed. This will help your painting stay vibrant and last longer. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had as much fun creating this Northern Lights painting as I did. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I can't wait to create more arts with you. See you in the next one.